What's really good, LeSBP Trading Familia? Buenos dias, bonjour, bom dia, salvona. And thank you all for tuning in. So, yeah, this is like take 25. But I just want to talk about how bad the trading day was. So, I'm just going to get straight into it. We made a lot of trades on Euro USD today. I know over the weekend I was saying, oh, yeah, I don't want to get stuck on one pair and stuff like that. But then I thought about it. If I do go to more than one pair, I feel like something like this would happen where I do really bad and then I swap over to another pair, then that pair is also doing bad, and then we just take more than what we needed to losses on the day. So I'm like, let me just not swap over to three, four, or five different pairs. Well, I only use four, but let me not jump back and forth between four different pairs and just focus on one and see if that can benefit me um, a little bit more than trying to catch them all in a sense. Plus, I'm using a bigger lot size, so it is definitely a little bit more scary. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So EU today just ate me the up, like literally. As you can see, I'm going to show you the side on the forex.com website so you can see all the P&Ls. But just showing you what the chart view looks like, man, I got 8 the buck up today. Literally, the main reason why I got 8 up is because I was sitting here chasing price. So this was literally all my fault. Like all of this was all my fault. Um, Now that I'm even looking at it too, like two of these trades didn't have to happen. But either way, so we had one break even, we had two break evens, and then we had one, two, three, four stop losses hit, and then after that we had a break even as well. Now, while on stream, I believe I only took one, two, three, four, five, maybe six. I'm not really sure to be exact. Because we ended up ending the stream very, very early. I was just tired of losing. I'm not gonna lie to you all. I was very tilted. And I was like, yeah, fuck this. I'm done. I literally logged off the account, stopped the stream, and then jumped right back into the damn market. I don't know why. Which ended out in this last break even, which was the only positive we had today, but it was a break even positive. So looking at those trades here, you can definitely see we didn't have a bias. I never usually do, but we were definitely jumping in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. And that's kind of how my strategy works, to be honest with you. So I'm not mad at that fact that we were jumping in and out and trying to swap sides and catch the runner. What I am mad at is the fact that I just didn't pay enough attention because, like I said, I see like at least two of these trades that didn't have to happen that probably didn't even meet confluence, and we just decided to jump in really quickly. Looking at by the end of the day, though, it actually did go down. I think we had literally like three sell trades that or four. We have four sell trades that did not go through. And five, one, two, yeah, five sell trades. Excuse me, that didn't go through, and then two of these were um, buy positions that didn't go through. And then by the end of the day, as you can see, we would have had one last sell position that would have actually worked out. But by this time, I wasn't even on the chart. So either way, jump into the P&L. You can see starting from this first Euro USD on the 20th, man, uh, was that break even, stopped out, stopped out, stopped out, stopped out, break even. So we had three different break evens today, if I'm correct. One, two, three. We had three different break evens today and literally four legitimate losses. Now, the thing that pisses me off a little bit more than just the fact that we kept losing today is the commission. I never really paid attention to it because I really couldn't see it, to be honest with you. Well, I could. I just didn't know I could by pressing this and pressing commissions and spread. But yeah, so I never really paid attention to this. But man, does that eat up your account? I'm telling you, you really got to pay attention to that bullshit. So as you can see, literally 76 cents every time I jumped into a trade. Now that increases with the lot size. As you can see, lot size and which pair it is, excuse me. It's not just the lot size, but it does include the pair because as you can see, we did a 0.10 in AU, and that's only 47 cents instead of 76 cents. But going back to what I was talking about, as you can see, small lot, smaller the commission. So today, in totality, I want to say it was roughly $10 and some change that we lost just on commissions by itself. If you calculate the P&L, it's about $15 and some change. So in totality, we lost like 26 bucks off of P&L and commissions. 26 bucks. So I literally shot myself in the foot, I feel like twice or maybe even three times because yeah, $10, $15, like that's $5 more. That's like two trades that we literally could have given away, two or three trades given away with just the commissions that got taken out. Now, the only option that I have is to go back to the account that I had previously before, which was a spread only account. But I'm trying not to go and do this knee jerk reaction, where I'm just jumping in and out of which account I want to take and use. But at the same time, I feel like I did give both of them ample enough time to make a decision because I started off with the spread only account in January and then switched over to the raw pricing account in March. So it's been at least 2.5 months on both of those. So I did give it enough time, but I just don't want to do it right away because I don't want it to. In my head, I feel like it's a new Drake correction, and I want to wait. I do want to give it some time, and I want to give it, the ability to prove itself in a sense. So yeah, we had a very heinous day. I'm not gonna lie to you all. The reason why we were chasing price on Euro USD is because of an AUD trade that we missed literally early this morning. That AUD trade actually happened 3 to 4 minutes, like 4 minutes before we were getting on. I usually get on at 8. We were supposed to get in this trade at the end of the 756 candle, which means 4 minutes before we could actually trade. This trade presented itself. It literally went 20 some odd pips in the matter of an hour. I think it was. I'm not doing that right. Sorry. So from the point we were supposed to get in to right down here, yeah, like 45 minutes. 45 minutes, 21 pips. That would have been the easiest $20 we could have made. And that happened in 45 minutes. And it just kept going. So yeah, it's definitely something that I shouldn't have done. But we were basically chasing AU's price through the correlation of Euro USD, thinking it was going to do the same thing. Oh shit, AU went down, EU is going to go down, but hopefully it goes down later. That's my thought process in that point. So not a great thing. I'm not gonna lie. Easy mistake for somebody as novice as myself. I'm not a pro trader, so I still make those silly mistakes, especially things like chasing price or just not giving up on the trades and thinking like, oh, I'm just going to keep jumping in because of FOMO and stuff like that. So I still definitely do that. So it's something that I will have to get over. Appreciate you all for watching. Thanks. I'm not going to babble on any longer. We're going to work on it. Hopefully later on this week, what we'll see is some more opportunities, some better opportunities on EU that we can jump into to cover the losses, and two, gain something on the account. That's pretty much all I got. All right, y'all. Thanks. Hope you have a good day. Happy Monday. Peace. All right. I think that was good. I'm not recording this anymore.